Did you know that scientists believe we have only discovered a fraction of the species on Earth? Some estimate that millions of species remain hidden, especially in remote and unexplored regions. These hidden ecosystems are like treasure chests waiting to be opened. They hold the potential for new discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of the natural world. One such place, shrouded in mystery and danger, is the infested temple. The very air around the infested temple hums with an unseen energy, a palpable force that seems to whisper ancient secrets to those who dare to listen. Vines and creepers, thick as a man's arm, entomb the crumbling stone structure, weaving a natural barrier that has kept the temple hidden from the world for centuries. The temple is a labyrinth of crumbling corridors, collapsing chambers, and treacherous pitfalls, all hidden beneath a thick canopy that blots out the sun. Each step taken within its confines is a journey into the unknown, where danger lurks around every corner. The air is heavy with the smell of decay and the sounds of unseen creatures. The eerie ambience is punctuated by the occasional rustle of leaves and the distant calls of mysterious animals. The infested temple is not for the faint of heart. Its foreboding entrance and dark corridors serve as a warning to those who might underestimate its dangers. It's a place of constant danger, where every step could be your last. The unstable floors and treacherous paths demand unwavering focus and courage from any adventurer, but for those brave enough to venture within, the rewards are potentially immense. Hidden treasures and ancient relics lie in wait for the intrepid explorer. The temple is said to hold ancient secrets, lost knowledge, and perhaps even the key to understanding the very forces that govern our world. Each artifact uncovered could rewrite history, offering insights into civilizations long forgotten. Exploring the infested temple is not for the ill-prepared. It requires not only physical endurance, but also mental fortitude and a keen sense of awareness. The jungle itself is a formidable obstacle, filled with venomous creatures, unpredictable weather, and treacherous terrain. Every step must be taken with caution, as the dense foliage can hide numerous threats. Within the temple, the dangers multiply. Collapsing structures, hidden traps, and unstable floors are constant hazards. The ancient architecture, while fascinating, is a maze of peril. Disorienting layouts and labyrinthine passages can easily lead to getting lost. Navigating these ancient corridors requires a sharp mind and an unerring sense of direction. And then there are the inhabitants. The jungle has claimed this temple as its own, and its creatures now roam its corridors. Giant insects, venomous snakes, and predatory cats are just a few of the dangers that lurk in the shadows. These creatures have adapted to the temple's environment, making them even more formidable. The shadows themselves seem to move, hiding threats that can strike without warning. Every corner turned could reveal a new danger, but the indigenous people whisper of something far more unsettling: creatures unseen in the natural world, things that defy categorization and fuel nightmares. These tales add an eerie layer to the already daunting exploration. The unknown entities that dwell within the temple's depths are said to be beyond comprehension, making the journey not just a physical challenge, but a psychological one as well. Local legends say the infested temple was once a place of great power, a beacon of ancient wisdom and spiritual energy. It was a center of knowledge and worship for a civilization lost to time, a civilization that thrived on the secrets held within these walls. They tell of rituals performed to appease ancient gods, rituals that were believed to maintain the balance between the mortal world and the divine. These rituals were said to open a doorway to another realm, a mystical passage that connected our world to the unknown. The creatures that now inhabit the temple are said to be remnants of this otherworldly connection, beings trapped between worlds, forever lingering in the shadows. Whether these tales are true or merely the product of an overactive imagination, they continue to captivate the minds of those who hear them. One thing is certain: the infested temple is a place of mystery and wonder, a relic of a bygone era that still holds many secrets. It is a place where the line between reality and myth blurs, where the past and present coexist in a delicate dance, and where the potential for discovery is as vast as the jungle itself, inviting explorers to uncover its hidden truths.